Grammar. Parts of speech. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word we use instead of a noun in a sentence. In the first group of sentences below, nouns are used in certain positions. In the next four sentences, the nouns are replaced by pronouns. Let's look at them. Bala becomes he. Binta becomes she. The ducklings become them. Mother and father become they. The nouns in the sentences are underlined. 1a, Bala went to the stream. Bala is underlined. Now, the stream. Now. Number 2, Binta went with Bala. Binta underlined. Bala underlined. Number 3, Bala and Binta fed the ducklings. Bala and Binta underlined. The ducklings underlined. 4a, Mother and father watched Bala and Binta. Mother and father underlined. Bala and Binta underlined. The nouns above can be replaced by pronouns. Pronouns, okay? Sorry for that twisted tongue. 1b, he went to the stream. He is a pronoun replacing the name of a person, and stream, okay, it's also underlined but a noun. 2b, she went with him. This is a pronoun. This is also a pronoun. 3b, they fed them. They, underlined pronoun. Them, also underlined pronoun. 4b, they washed them. They, pronoun. Them, pronoun. Well done. The whole thing is how we use pronoun, okay, to replace nouns. And we can also use nouns to replace pronouns. So it's all about pronoun and noun. Pronoun and noun. Let me take the first sentence to remind you. A pronoun is a word we use instead of a noun in a sentence.